Yeah. Hi everyone. As we have completed the concepts of servlets, all JDBC concepts we have completed. So from the Java application, we can do all or we can perform all operations in database like insertion, deletion, updation, retrieval. Okay. Other few operations also we did. And using the servlets concept, we implemented server-side program also from the very basic, from the displaying message, same story connecting with the database, insertion, updation, deletion, the CRUD operations we did. And here it is a session management we discussed in the last session. The login, logout, how to maintain the session. And next one is a request dispatcher, how to dispatch the servlet pages or any other pages required. So based on all these things, if you want to do a project, we need to understand a few basic concepts of JSP also, because it's easy to work with JSP. So first of all, let me explain what is JSP. Simple way of explaining the thing: writing Java code inside HTML, inside HTML file, writing the Java code. Suppose in servlets, if you want to write a HTML code, yes, we can write. We already discussed. For example, either it is a do get method or it is a do post method, right? We use only these two methods for getting the information and for posting the information. If you want to write any HTML information, simply what we will do, right, in two ways. Just like out.println, here we are writing the HTML code like h1, just like hello. Simply I'm writing is a h1 code like this inside the servlet, nothing but inside the Java code, right? We are writing HTML code. Now JSP means what is just reverse inside the HTML code. So JSP file is exactly looking like a HTML file only. Here we are defining the Java code. Here we are defining Java code. So how to define the Java code? Of course, three types of tags are there. We need to learn three types of tags, but mostly we are using only one type of tag. But I'll explain three types of tags with examples today, so that how to use all the things I'll explain. These tags are important, three tags, and implicit objects also important. First two points you need to understand about JSP: what are the types of tags available and what are the implicit objects available in JSP. Sir, why exactly we are using JSP? Already servlets are there. With number of examples, you will get clarity. Instead of theoretical part, so better we implement the programs, because as we know, we are already good at servlets concept. So easily you can understand few things. Okay. See, first one, come to the tags. What kind of tags we are using? First, let me write one code. I'm taking the project, directly take the dynamic project. I'm taking JSP, that's all. Directly, I'm using that JSP. Here it is from the JSP. From the JSP, just right click on JSP, take the JSP page, JSP file, JSP file. For practicing only, simply I'm writing first.jsp, that's all. first dot JSP finish. First dot JSP. It opens like this. Forget about this. It will not happen anything. I'm not writing head here. It's not required. Just I'm concentrating on the body part. This one, the body part. Here it is. I'm writing the HTML code. H1. Welcome to JSP page. Welcome to JSP page. This is enough. Whenever you are executing this code, how to execute means it's the same story. Run as, run on server. Run on server, and this code gets executed. Instead of extension HTML, we have given that extension is a .jsp page. .jsp. But look at the code. Code is a HTML code only is there. HTML code. See, it is running that. First .jsp is running, and it has given the output. Sir, this is HTML code only. The concept is I want to write the Java code. How to write the Java code? Then we need to discuss about the tags. There are three types of tags are there. One is a scriptlet tag. Second one is an expression tag. Third one is a declaration tag. A very important one. We always use a scriptlet tag only mostly. Anyway, we will learn for interview purpose expression tags and declaration tags, but we use rarely. Remember that. Scriptlet tag, expression tag, and a declaration tag. See, so what is that scriptlet tag? Whenever you are writing that Java code, here I mentioned very clearly in the documentation also, just you need to specify in between these. Any code you can write. Here, just represent with the, this is, here you can write the Java code and you need to close with this. This is called a scriptlet tag. Sir, any code? Yes, any code you can write. See, I'm simply writing like this. Here, Java code starts. Java code starts. So what I want to write? Same simple one, string name is equals to, I'm taking one name. Just Java code only, no confusion. I just want to display on the web page. So normally in servlets, what we will do? Print write out is equals to response dot get writer. Here it is where is the response object? There is no do get method and do post method. And here it is a print writer not required, response object also not required. Directly you can use out dot println. Out dot println. Directly you can use. Here you can write the code. Here you can write the code. Hello. Hello. Just name. Just name. That's all. See here how we are writing the things. We are using the scriptlet tag. We are using that Java declaration of variable printing. Here one point you need to understand. Here we are discussing about the implicit objects. Print writer out. This is implicit object out. And next one, HTTP servlet, request and response objects are there. Na? Directly we can use request object, response object, we can use directly. These are implicit objects available in JSP. That's it, enough. When you are executing this code, again, run on server, see, first.jsp, and it is printing hello Amar. This is the simple way of writing that JSP. Okay, we are getting the information, everything we will do. It's not a big thing, very easy. See, look at that. This is a scriptlet tag. Okay, scriptlet tag just surrounded with these two symbols, remember. Sir, then what is expression tag? What is expression tag? See, expression tags means whatever the information you specified with the expression tag will automatically print. Even no need to write out.println also. It's nothing but, suppose here I am writing integer a equals to 5, b equals to 3. B equals to 3. We are writing separately with expression tag, as we know already this. Okay, A equal to 5 and B equals to 3. We are writing with the expression tag. We are writing with the expression tag like this. A simple example better. Simple example, even not even this. Here it is a name. Sir, where is the name? Out.println is not there. Only just name is there. But where is the name? In this case, we are using the declaration tag. Declaration tag. First, I'll explain that. Declaration tags are allow you to declare Java methods and variables that can be used throughout the JSP page. Just with the exclamatory mark we will use. Just with a exclamatory mark. That is, with a method I will write first simply like this. Here it is, I am declaring that variable is a string name equals to Amar. Now you need to understand. Suppose if I am using scriptlet tag here, how we need to specify means what? Out.println of name. Completely we can use. Expression tag means what? No need to specify. What you mentioned here will automatically write, automatically print. Just run. See, here it is printing that output. Not only this, just variables I am taking. Integer a equals to 5, b equals to 2. Then here I am just writing a plus b. Here with the HTML sum equals to printing a plus b. I'm doing like this. Two variables I declared here. I'm just performing the addition operation. As soon as these two things will be added, will print automatically with the expression tag. And this is the message we are printing using HTML paragraph. That's all. So run the code. Simple examples of doing the things. Sum equals to 7. That mark it is showing that last one. This we missed. That is okay. In the same way, we are creating the methods also here. Sir, why writing these two things? Right? You can write everything in a scriptlet tag means what? You can, no problem. So mostly we use a scriptlet tag only. So remember the points. Scriptlet tag we represent like this. Expression tag, basic questions they will ask from here only. Expression tag we need to represent like this. And then declaration tag we are representing like this. Declaration tag. Like this we are representing. Here the question is, when we use a scriptlet tag, any Java code you can write. Here it is the values directly print. Values directly print on web page. Declaration tag means what? To declare variables and methods. Simple answer. Here it is all the required objects available implicitly. So you can use directly. So you can use directly. That is okay. Here it is. The next one is, whenever we are getting the information, directly inserting employees into database table is there. But let me explain one example. I just want to collect the input from the HTML page or a JSP page, no problem. Instead of submitting the details to servlets, here we are submitting the details to JSP page. To JSP page. I'm taking that one. JSP display details. One more I'm taking. One more is a new file. JSP display. One simple example. JSP display. Here it is. First, write one HTML page only. HTML page. Input.html page. See what we are writing here in input.html page is the same story. Just in body, creating one form. Creating one form. Enter your name. So input box. Input type text. Input type text. Name equals to user. Just I'm giving like this. Next one is a input type submit. Value equals to just display. I'm giving like this. When you submit the form, where it has to go, action. Here we need to specify name clearly. Display.jsp completely. And the method get or post based on that one you can. I already told you that when you can use get and post, when you are sending the details, get retrieving the details, what? Post from the database actually. And one more thing, post means encrypted. Get means not encrypted. It will display the details on URL. So easily you can understand. Display.jsp, method get and post. Here it is. Now for this we need to specify that JSP page also. JSP page. So one more page I am writing. That is JSP page. Display.jsp. I'm taking display.jsp. Here in body. Now we are writing the Java code. Java code is nothing but servlet code only. So how we are writing? Everything in a scriptlet. Everything in a scriptlet. When they submit the information, that information will come from the input.html page to display.jsp page. So here we are writing the code. Same one, request. It's predefined object. No need to search for the request object, sir, where it is, how we are using all these things. Request dot get parameter. Here, there we have given that user, and you will get automatically. We are collecting into that name, into name, and just giving the message, giving the message. So what is that message? Simply here it is out.println, out.println hello plus name. Simple. Hello plus name. That's all. Not more than this. Now when you are executing this code, run as, run on server. When you finish this, executing the code like this, enter your name. I'm giving suppose that name Harin display. It will send the information to the JSP page. Is giving that message is a hello Harin. But look at the point is, it is showing that information on the URL. That is okay. This is the simple way of writing. Hope you understood. Okay. So this is one simple example. Today, only this much you try. Try to understand the scriptlet tag, expression tag, and declaration tag. Right? In the next class, I clearly explain same how to get information, how to connect with the database, how we perform the CRUD operations, like that. In 2 days, what all the things maximum required to start our project using servlets, JDBC, and JSP, we can complete in JSP. Okay, na? Practice only this much for today. Thank you.